Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to integrate MoPub SDK with Android Studio. To start with, I already have an activity created to display the banner ad from MoPub. Basically, you have to include this particular code in the dependency section of your build.gradle file. Remember that this build.gradle file has to be at the module or at the app level. So go ahead and add the dependency as shown in the screenshot over here, and also in the repository sections add this particular code. Once you have done this, go to your layout activity or activity layout and add the banner element. Make sure that you add the correct layout width and height and also the MoPub ad size. Now starting Android version 9, we need to include a network security configuration file for us to be able to display the ads using HTTP protocols. Therefore, you need to create an XML file for network security config in the resource section. So go ahead and create a folder under resources called XML, and then in that create a XML file called network security config. I have created over here already. In this file, go ahead and add the code as shown here. Now we need to declare this file in the Android manifest file. So go to your Android manifest file and add the file we just created. You can see I have already added it over here. Now we have completed the prerequisites for the integration of MoPub SDK with Android Studio. Now let us see how to load this ad. So go to your activity, declare a variable called MoPub view, then assign the banner ad that we created in the layout file to this variable. Then call this method mopubview.setUnitID. You can use the test unit ID as I have mentioned over here. This is a test unit ID from MoPub. Once you have completed your development, you can replace it with your actual unit ID from MoPub. Another important requirement for integrating MoPub SDK with Android Studio is that you have to initialize the SDK before you can load the ad. This particular code which I have written over here initializes the SDK. For initialization, we need to create a builder as I have shown over here, a simplest builder, and then call this method mopub initialize SDK to initialize the SDK. Once the initialization is complete, you need to add a listener so that once the initialization is complete, the listener will load the ad. Now don't forget to release the resources held by SDK once your activity is destroyed. Therefore, override your onDestroy activity and write this particular code in your onDestroy method. Now let us go ahead and see if this works out. So the code is compiling. Let's wait for a moment. It takes some time, so be patient. Now the compilation is complete. Let's see the emulator. So I have a calculator app actually, and I'm using the banner ad in the discount or profit activity. So go ahead and click on this. You can see that the banner ad is loaded. That's it friends. Have a good day. Bye bye.